100 here only. Noémi Alphonse, semi-finalist in the 800 and the 1500 here for Mauritius in lane 6, lifetime best this year of 1562. Subedi Süpürgeçi of Turkey in 7, and going solely in the 800 meters was due to be Fatou Sena, but she's not. This was going to be her only competition. So Bayakula, Lou, Helbling, Alphonse and Süpürgeçi. Fastest in the field this year is Noémi Alphonse. Top 2 to qualify, plus the next 2 across the 3 heats to go through to the final. Away, first time, Helbling and Alphonse away, very good. Süpürgeçi trying to move up, but it's Noémi Alphonse, 1562. It's a great breakthrough year for her in terms of her fastest time. This is going to be close to it. Alphonse takes it 16.50, Lou in second, Bayakula in third spot. They are the 3 who progress. Well, what a time for Belgium last night with that T52 world record, which I can tell you has made big headlines back in Belgium. And Bayakula can add to that, perhaps later on in this competition, but Alphonse makes it, and Lou as well, 16.50. Bayakula through as well.
That was just such a, I think smooth is the word that I would give to that. And what I really love, we'll see a replay, what I really loved about it was just how quick her hand speed was, and that really was the difference between how quickly she not only got off the line but maintained that speed. You can see just a little bit of the wheels are slightly bouncing at the top there, and again that's just a sign of how much power, but just look at the hand speed there and just how smoothly and how accurately she hits that rim. And when it comes to the 100 meters, occasionally you will see in races pushers will sometimes have little marks on the inside of their bicep, and that's just a sign that they've slipped off their push rims and it's got caught a little bit. And right now we've got a close-up of that hand speed, and again the accuracy, because if you slip off even one push in the 100 meters, it ruins the acceleration, and the race is so short that you can't recover from that. So again, this is hand speed, it's power, it's precision, and that is what gets you that speed.
Well, she finished 5th in the Paralympic Games, did Noémi Alphonse. She looks in nice mood to replicate that, or maybe do better. She's done her job, and she's done it very, very effectively, I have to say. So Alphonse and Lou are through. Leah Bayakula in third. Does have to wait. It is only 2 going through, not 3.